sister and my mom get in an argument today, but my aunt is here and she bought our trusty friend the wooden spoon. Our wooden spoon's been with us for years. When the kids were little, we would threaten them that if they weren't going to behave themselves, that they would get it. So my aunt said, if any abuse get out of hand, I'll give you the hit. And that's our spoon.
What's the price point? Where would you like to be?
I'm willing to go, up to 3 if I see something that I really, really like.
No sooner is Audrey's back turned than the bickering starts up again.
Do you not remember the last dress I tried on and all it was some dress? I told me, that I'm not getting a ball gown in the story.
If you get a little poofy down here, it'd be fine.
How would you They're driving me up a train. No, this started on the train coming up here this morning. The two of them were arguing over what would look good or what wouldn't look good. And obviously we get here and they're already starting. So this is going to be a fun day.
If one bride choosing a dress wasn't complicated enough, out in the lobby, there's double the trouble.
We've got 2 brides here each other. They both want dresses. We have 2 consultants in different rooms, so they've got to work together in this appointment. I hope we can pull this off.
Hi, ladies. My name's Erica Siegel. I live in Los Angeles.
My name is Devin Aragaki. I am from Hawaii.
It's a little unusual because we both want to be wearing white dresses, Typical girlhood dream.
Helping the brides in their quest to find their dream gowns is Erica's sister, Lori.
Hi, Lori, Diane, and Sarah. They both have very clear and distinct personalities with clear and distinct ideas of what they want.
Goodbye. We're going to go that way.
We're going to go this way,
You're
Devin.
going to look beautiful, Erica.
I'm not abandoning you. I'm here.
Okay, Lori, you better.
And the wedding, where's it taking place?
In Kauai, in Honolulu Bay. Devin proposed to me. I came home and she had rose petals all over the floor. And she got down on one knee and she proposed.
And what style were you thinking about?
We want to go very traditional.
Devin and I took a little peek at a store in Los Angeles. I should probably show you the dress.
As if consultant Sarah has challenges already, now she has to try and top a dress that caught Erica's eye in another salon.
The dress that Erica liked is an A-line dress. Nothing too poofy, but nothing too fitted. So we want to be, let's say, 4 and under.
Yeah.
Now, you don't want to see each other's dresses, right?
I don't know if we're going to be able to actually resist the temptation to be like, oh my God, this is just come away.
Yeah. Okay.
The 2 brides have a plan, and across the salon, Danielle thinks she's got one too. But as she steps into her first dress, sister Stephanie has ideas of her own.
You have your deal already. Danielle's sister happens to be getting married, so I think she was very wrapped up in her own wedding.
It's a little bit hard not to try on a dress. Mine's been sitting in the closet for 2 years. I just want to rip my clothes off and put another dress on.
It's about the bride, and everyone is supposed to be here to support her and choose her dress, not your dress.
I like the beat on that.
What's wrong with that? Oh my God. Come up here. That's not the one.
It's not what you expected. Do you like it? But do I? I don't think it's beautiful.
He still has hiccups.
Kind of like too many chiefs, not enough Indians. We're here for me to try on a dress that
It was pretty, but wasn't her dress. I think every bride should have the big ball gown.
it's too much dress. I can't see myself dancing and moving. It just, dress number 1 just wasn't going to happen. It'll be a no.
All right, then we should try on something else.
You just have to be supportive. Remember, it's her day.
Wooden spoon's going to come out soon. Good, it could make an appearance.
Audrey's first choice fell wide of the mark for both the bride and her family. Focus is now on dress number 2.
I like this one. I like the feel of it. It's nice and light. The other one's a little heavy for me. I love it. I feel beautiful in the dress. I feel like a bride. I have not felt like a bride up until this point. I don't think they're going to like it, though. It has been stressful. Bring my family. They're just going to try me out the train.
And your family and friends didn't like it. You wouldn't get it.
No, I get it.
Coming up, will Danielle and her family see eye to eye?
Do you think this is your wedding dress?
And downstairs, all hell breaks loose.
Oh my God, I'm going to kill myself. It's so fun. No!
How are you getting to a happier place? Running there? Dancing there? Flying there? How about eating soup to get there? Delicious Campbell's soups fill you with good nutrition, energy,
Ay.